All my Disney people and diabetics, I am getting ready for my Disney cruise and just wanted to kind of show a brief rundown of what I keep in my backup testing bag. I wear a Freestyle Libre 3 sensor typically most of the time, but just in case anything happens, I always make sure I do have my testing kit. It's always good to have it because you never know if those sensors are running funny numbers, especially if you're feeling a little weird and you just want to test for yourself. So I always make sure I have my meter, which of course I have to get charged before I go. So I'm going to take that out and set that aside. I always make sure I have at least about 3 test strips for the day, at least each day. I'll be gone for about a 4-night cruise. So between about 30 to 40 should be okay for what I'm gonna go for. Again, I use a sensor, so I probably won't need this, but I definitely always just keep it for backup. I have my Lansing device, which I love the One Touch brand. This is definitely not getting any promotion off this, but I am obsessed with One Touch. I use the One Touch Lancets. The 33 gauge are my favorite because I hate needles, so the smaller the better. And I definitely am going to have probably a few more of these, but I always have at least 3 to 4 extra needles. I do 1 insulin shot per day of about 30 units of insulin, so I'll probably make sure I have about 3 or 4 more of those just to be safe. You never know what can happen. Sometimes, with the needles, they just, I don't know. I've had sometimes that literally just are bent, so that doesn't happen all the time, but you just want to be safe. And then I always do keep a stock of skin preps, alcohol pads, just to make sure for, cleaning the area where I do want to poke my finger or give myself a shot before I do that. So probably definitely fill that up with a little bit more of those. And then just put a couple more of my needles in there. This will be where I put my insulin pen. I honestly will probably try to stuff another one of these in there just because, just to make sure I have enough. And right now I am on to JO. I'm not sure anybody else what they're using. I've used a couple different brands before, but that is the one I'm currently using with my insurance. Of course, we all know how that works. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of make sure everybody knows that even though you're on a sensor, it's always good to have a backup kit, and I'm getting mine ready for that Disney cruise, and we will hope that everything goes okay and we don't even have to bring this out. All right, Disney people, look forward to more videos coming. Hit that like and subscribe, and all my diabetics, have a good, safe night. Blood sugars stay level, and all my Disney people, have a great night. Thanks, everybody. Love ya.